Hi everybody, I wanted to do a little quick shop update what's going on here. So I have a QTS-200 behind me, trying to set it up the day after Christmas, and got the relocation detection low voltage battery alarm. It's I guess, let's see here, 1396 RD low battery. And I just want to do a little rant on what the heck that is. So Mazak is a Japanese company, and I guess once upon a time one of their machines was found in a place or in a country that it shouldn't have been in. And I guess we live in a dangerous world, and so the Japanese government went to Japan, or to Mazak, and said, hey, we can't have these machines in bad countries. And so they put these little detectors on the machine called relocation detectors, and when you move the machine, it knows it's been moved. And so you have to call Mazak, and they bring a service tech to your shop, and they have to put a secret code in to get the machine going again. And so I guess that's the gist of the story of why they have relocation detectors. I guess every machine maker out there now has their own deal. I think I was watching Stanton on one of his videos. If you ever, that guy's great. Edge Precision. Holy jeez. Wow. Anyway, he was, I think, talking about one of his Haas machines, and Haas has this deal where you get so much time on the options. And so when you buy the machine, they give you like a trial period for, like, say, the high-speed machining option. And then if you want it, you have to pay for it. They give you a code and yada, 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 right? And so I think Stanton said, for whatever reason, the machine went into a reset state. So many, years pass, and for whatever reason it goes in a reset state, and you got to call the machine maker again and get the machine going again. So I guess everyone has their own issues. Just a little thing you got to worry about. Anyway, so this is my rant on relocation detectors. And as far as the procedure I was told, and from what the manual says, so I talked to a few guys and I read the manual, printed out a few pages from it. You're supposed to get a 1 month grace period, but as the manual says, it's not guaranteed. So when you first see that 1396 alarm, you might get 1 month, you might not, who knows. So some guy said you can leave the main power unit on and the NC controller off. Another guy said just leave everything on and put the machine in E-stop, so main power unit on, NC unit on, and put it in E-stop. Obviously order that battery as fast as possible. I got it coming, well, today's Friday, it's supposed to be coming Monday, so I might just leave it on and leave it in E-stop, just so I don't have to deal with the hassle of having a tech come down and put the code in, yada, 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 right? But yeah, it's just another one of those things of owning a business and running a machine shop. You got a 6-figure investment behind me, and it's just stupid little code that will keep you from running. I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to put up a little shop update. I haven't done these, and I don't know, maybe I'm camera shy. I got to get over that. So tell me your thoughts. Maybe I'll put some little B-roll footage at the end just to show the alarm on the control, and I'll show you the back of the machine where the relocation detector is, and the little battery that goes into it. It's a stupid little battery, It's funny how little stupid batteries keep us from running machines like this. Anyway, I hope you like that little visual thing in the back there. I got the spindle on. You know, that's like well, it's a finished 9-inch diameter plastic part that we're running here, and it's prepped so I can run it in the jaws. It does both sides. But yeah, let me know what you would do as far as relocation detector and other things you'd like to see in the shop. You know, I've always been hesitant to put a lot of, you know, stuff up, because, you know, I'm always afraid, like, you know, even just like, you know, putting up a couple pages for a manual, and for all I know I'm going to get a strike, or someone's going to say something and I have to take it down. So I'm trying to put low investment video out where I can just sit here, talk, say some stuff, and maybe I don't know, if I have to, you know, do a lot of video editing and put it together and then get a strike, it's you know, I don't have the time for it, especially with running a shop and running a business. It's just, I wish I did. You know, I've tried other channels. You know, I play guitar and I did video editing, and you can spend a week editing a video and only get a couple hundred views, and what was the point of that, right? So I just wanted to put up what's a low investment, just talking. Anyway, maybe I'll show you the alarm now, and what the back of the machine looks like. Here you go. So that's your 1396 RD low battery alarm. There's my little partner. Check it out. Yep. And maybe behind me you can see here. Oh, there's a nice. Oh yeah, orange. And we got the parts stacked up there, all prepped up, ready to go. And I'll take you to the back of the machine. And here we go. Right here. This is the back of the machine, so you can see it. Well, and forgive the mess. We've been moving. Alright. And there it is. This is your little relocation detector, and that's the little battery that you got to get replaced. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts. You know, post some comments below. What would you do? Would you risk it? I don't know. Just, you know, turn it off and hope for the best, or not. I don't know. And let me know what else you'd like to see in videos. You know. Like I said, I'm always hesitant to post stuff from the shop, especially, you know, for whatever reason, you know, a customer might get mad that, you know, a part was shown, it shouldn't have been shown, you know, so it's always like that. But thanks for watching, and you know, stay tuned. Thanks.